Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing so well. Thank God for another day. So today's video I will be using um ORS hair fertilizer for my hair. So I've used the old version of this product before. I did not really like it because I feel like it was burning my scalp. Maybe there's one ingredient inside that did not really work for me well. So now here is their new look. So I decided to also give this new look a try. So I decided to give this new look a try with their new formula. So it's water based, guys. So and it's very good for hair growth also. So guys, I will be using it alongside with my DIY butter mixed with grease and the Ayurvedic kind of ingredients that I use to mix everything together for. Like this is also my DIY hair growth fertilizer. So guys, if you have not seen that video, I will just leave it at the description box below. You really have to go and watch it so that you can also make your own hair growth fertilizer at home. It's so good for hair growth also. So I will be starting my 30 days challenge with this product next month. So if you want to follow me, just go and watch that video so that you can also follow me on that challenge. So guys, I've already washed my hair. I wash my hair a day before I make this video because there was no time for me to do my hair that same day, so I have to just put my hair in this dye so that the next day I can also make my hair. So guys, this product ORS is a hair fertilizer that can help you to grow your hair out. So it's rich with so many, so guys, rich with so many ingredients, like ingredients that can really work well on our hair, like water, like glycerin, like soya beans, and some alcohol to prevent the product, and also castor oil. Like I love castor oil so much. They also have nettle leaf powder. So nettle leaf is also good for our hair growth. The key ingredients is nettle leaf extract. Also contain a high amount of antioxidant property that also help and protect our scalp from damage. It also helps to stimulate new growth of hair. Nettle leaves are rich in mineral like iron, magnesium, and zinc, which also can give our follicles a great boost so that our hair will grow. It's also good for hair growth also. So the key ingredients is nettle leaf, which is so good, guys. Like this product is so moisturizing also, guys. It's so moisturizing. So they also have other ingredients. They have fruit extract. They have also what it is. They have so many ingredients, guys, that can also be good for our hair growth. They have corn oil. They have turmeric root extra. So guys, another key ingredients they also have here is their horse-tail extract. So another key ingredients is horse-tail extract. Horse-tail extract is also good to improve circulation, leading to the improvement of hair follicles, and it also helps to stimulate hair growth. With those improvements come the ability for hair follicles to reduce new hair. So because it's also rich in silicone, and horse-tail is also used when trying to stimulate hair growth. So guys, it's also rich with their main ingredients here is horse-tail and nettle leaf That is their major key ingredients, and those two ingredients are really so good for our hair growth. They help to stimulate our scalp, they help to improve our follicles, they also help to stimulate hair growth, they improve the ability for hair follicles to release new hair growth, and also helpful to when you are trying to grow out your hair. Just try to use horsetail or nettle leaf. If you can get them direct, you can use them on your hair. If you can't get them direct, you can use any product that have horsetail or nettle leaf extract in them, like this ORS hair fertilizer, which is so good for our hair growth. So guys, I love their ORS mayonnaise, which I've used for a very long time, and I'm still using it on my hair whenever I want to do like a protein treatment. So that is also good to give your hair life when your hair is weak. So they say ORS organic root stimulator hair fertilizer help to nourish weak and damaged hair. So ORS organic root stimulator stimulator hair fertilizer nourish and they also help to grow our hair. So they say use daily or as often as needed. Apply a small amount direct to the scalp and massage gently. Comb through for even distribution and root to end. So guys, that is how you should use it on your hair. So what I'm doing is I will apply the ORS hair fertilizer to my hair. Then I will use my own DIY hair fertilizer on my hair on top of the ORS. Then I will also use that my DIY hair fertilizer on my scalp. But if you don't have that, my DIY, you can make yours. And if you want to use this ORS, you can also use it on your scalp also. Because I'm using mine, that's why I'm not using this on my scalp. So if I'm not using that make myself, I will use this on my scalp. So the plant root in this product plus the listed ingredients are historically known to help stimulate the scalp and nourish hair. So that's what they are saying. They say the product they use here are good to stimulate your hair and also help to promote your hair growth, condition your scalp, healthy hair. So when your scalp is healthy, your hair is going to grow, and when you have a unhealthy scalp, your hair will not grow. So with this product, they say it can help you to get a healthy scalp and also nourish your hair. It's a rich moisturizing cream, hydrate weak and damaged hair, enriched with rich nettle leaf and horsetail to help nourish your hair and scalp. So that's what I was saying, because when you use this product, it's going to keep your hair nourished and also going to revive your weak hair. If you are use their olive mayonnaise, what they call it, mayonnaise on your hair, you are definitely going to like this. The packaging is too small, like 107 grams, and it's small, but it's work very well. So don't mind the size when you want to buy it. It works very well on hair, and it gives your hair so shiny and keep it moisturized, like it nourish your hair very well. So guys, if you have tried this new version before, just leave your comment if you like it. I used the old version of this product. I did not really like it, not really go down well with me. My scalp was really damaged, like it hurt my scalp so much. I don't know, the ingredient that was not in good terms with my scalp, so I just dump it. I did not use it. I just used it once and I dump it. I did not really use it anymore. So when I when I saw this new look, so I decided to give it a try. I checked the ingredients they change a lot, they change the ingredients, so I decided to give it a try, and it's worked very well on my hair now. That's why I'm doing the review for you guys. So just go and get yours ORS hair fertilizer and try to use it on your hair. It's going to restore your damaged hair. It's going to bring back your weak hair to life. It's going to keep your hair growing, nourish, and also moisturize your hair, because it has a very great and herbal ingredients in it that can really work well on your hair. Using herb ingredients and is herb ingredients that are really pure, and herbs also help to promote hair growth. Like when you smell this product, you can really feel that natural herbs smell inside this product. Like you will open it, you smell it, you will feel it that this is really pure herbs ingredients inside it. Like the ingredients, you will feel it instantly. When you open it, you will feel it. The smell, like it just smell like that of their ORS, because they have almost like the same ingredients, and it's also good for hair growth. So to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate you guys. Sorry I did not welcome you guys at the first video. I was so carried away by introducing the product that I want to use. Now let me just settle down and welcome you guys in the proper way. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch today's video. Like, I appreciate you guys so much, the love and support you guys have been giving me. If there's no you, if there's no you, there's no me. Like without you, there's no me on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much. And if you just subscribe, you watch my video and you decided to subscribe, and you decided to click on your bell icon, oh my goodness, God will richly bless you. God will subscribe good things to your life this year 2021. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. And if you just walk up past YouTube straight and you saw me and you saw my video and you decided to click and watch it, oh my goodness, I appreciate you too. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for watching. If you like me, if you like what I do, please subscribe, turn on your post notification, so that you will not miss out any of my new video. What do I do on my channel? I do DIY product. I review store-bought product like this one you are just watching. I make my own hair product just the way I can, and it's very good when I use it on my hair. So all those videos are on my channel. I make butter, I make DIY mask, I make DIY oil, I make DIY powder, I mix grease for hair growth. Like everything about hair, you are going to see it on my channel that is going to benefit your hair growth is what I do. So if that interests you and you want to like stay with me on this journey, just subscribe and also turn on your post notification. So guys, now I am done putting my hair in a protective style. This is just my go-to protective style. Like twist and just leave my hair alone. Maybe during the week I will just do a little retouch, like little remoisturizing my hair. So I did not really use enough of a lot of this product. Like a little goes a long way. Like it's so good for hair, like keep your hair really strong and moisturized. This is my DIY version of the product. So I made that myself. The video is already on my channel. Like you have to really go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.